Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a review slash unboxing of these magnetic eyeliner lashes kit. So I ordered them off Amazon Prime yesterday, I think, and they arrived today. So I just wanted to show you guys. So I keep hearing all this stuff about the magnetic lashes. I did try another pair that was like you put a lash on top, one on bottom. It was so hard, I honestly could not put them on. So I'm gonna try these. This is eyeliner lash kit, flawless, reusable, easy to apply, and waterproof. So that's what they're saying it does. I did see it had I think 5 stars or something like that. So let's see. It says 2 tubes of magnetic lashes. So yeah, and it has that. So let's open it up and try it on. Okay, so I just took it out of the plastic, as you can see, and it shows, you can tell they're really fake material. Let me see if I can take one out. So look, I don't know if you guys can see, this is not focusing. I mean, of course, what do you want? I paid like $30 for them, so. But I do like this natural look, and it does come with that. It looks to hold the applicator, to hold the lashes, and then the 2 tubes of supposed to be the magnetic eyeliner. So it says easy to apply, reusable, and waterproof. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on my hand to show you guys. Let me see if I can hold this. Show you guys how this works. Maybe let me put it down like this. So let's see the tip of this. Okay, very thin. So I don't know if you guys can see. It's not focusing. So it's very thin. It's not focusing. Very thin. So what I'm gonna do is put it on my hand and then show you guys if it works. Okay, let's see. Okay, as you guys can tell, I did a pretty ugly job with the eyeliner. But anyways, it was kind of thick, so that. But I mean, I tried it on my hand because I don't know if I'm going to be allergic to it. But it looks like it dried, and it looks pretty solid black. So now I'm going to grab a lash and try to put it on my arm and my hand and see if it works. Let's see. Okay, so apparently it does work. I mean, obviously you can't appreciate it because it's in my hand. But oh my gosh, I am surprised this actually worked. I literally just kind of barely put it. And look, I'm gonna pull on it. So if I pull on it hard, no, actually it's not coming off. Maybe you guys can kind of see. It's not a good angle trying to film this with one hand, but it's not focusing. But as you can see up close, I did pick the most dramatic eyelash just because it's on camera and because I'm probably not going to use this one on myself. So, but look, as you can tell, can't even see the glue because it's magnetic eyeliner. It's not really glue. This is crazy, really crazy. So I officially can say this works in my hand. I don't know about my face, but so I did pull it out and I tried to put it back on to see if, you know, if you pull it, if it will still grab onto the magnetic eyeliner, and it looks like it does. So if you guys want to see more reviews of me opening random stuff that I buy, make sure you like, subscribe. So these are the magnetic eyeliner from Erishine, or I don't know how to say it, but it does have 2 tubes, so I'm assuming you can use them lots of times. And it shows right there how to put it on. Till next time, guys, bye. Okay, so hey guys, so I know I told you guys bye, but I literally took off the lash and came to wash my hand and scrubbed it, and look, it's still there. It doesn't come off. So I guess it is waterproof.